Rather than being a simple mid-cycle update, the 2026 Kia Picanto GT-Line Facelift completely rethinks the role of city cars, adding aggressive style, state-of-the-art technology, and improved safety features to its best-selling compact car has given Kia a fighting chance in a category where compromise is common. With its bold new look, this automobile defies categorization and proves that enormous personality can be contained in a little package. It would appear that the new Picanto GT line has had a radical makeover, a departure from the prior generation. The new front fascia takes cues from Kia's Opposites United aesthetic. The car now has a considerably more aggressive appearance thanks to the redesigned Tiger Nose grille, which flows smoothly into two sets of vertically stacked LED headlights. In particular, the GT line gains a futuristic and wide body appearance thanks to its more aggressive front bumper, which has sporty air intakes and a unique light bar connecting the headlamps. New LED taillights joined by a horizontal light bar continue the redesign in the back, giving the impression of a wider vehicle and echoing the front fascia. Newly designed 16-inch alloy wheels and a lower rear diffuser round out the GT line's athletic upgrades. In sum, the result is an affordable vehicle that gives the impression of greater speed, stability, and quality than it actually costs. One of the most striking features of the Picanto GT line is its performance. Either a 4-speed automatic or 5-speed manual transmission, together with an efficient and powerful 1.2-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivers power. With its remarkable fuel economy and plenty of acceleration for city driving and assured handling on the highway, this powertrain is a perfect compromise. Navigating congested city streets and limited parking spaces is a breeze with the GT line thanks to its nimble handling and small turning circle. Upon entering the renovated cabin, you will notice an atmosphere that exudes an air of refined elegance, presenting all pertinent driving data in a sleek and contemporary manner. The new 4.2-inch digital instrument cluster is now standard across the board. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system is still the showpiece of the dashboard, but it now comes with innovative features like Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay, which allow for seamless integration of smartphones. Alloy pedals, black fake leather seats with contrast stitching, and high-gloss black accents provide a luxury feel to the GT line trim, which enriches the cabin with sporty elements. Its spacious front seats and unusually large trunk make this automobile a great choice for city driving thanks to its innovative use of space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you think of the 2026 Kia Picanto GT Line Facelift in the comments below. See you next time.